In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update table of contents in LibreOffice Writer. Let's get started by launching LibreOffice Writer. You can open it from your applications list like you normally do. Any recent version of Writer will work for this walkthrough. Once Writer is open, either open the document you're working on or create a new file. This guide assumes your document already contains a table of contents, since we're focusing on updating it rather than inserting a new one. If you've been adding or rearranging sections, changing headings, or moving content around, your table of contents might show outdated headings or page numbers. The fastest way to refresh it is right inside the document. Click anywhere in the table of contents area. You're looking for the gray shaded background that typically appears behind the TOC entries. This shading indicates you're inside the generated field. Right-click within that gray area to bring up the context menu. From that menu, choose Update Index, which may appear as Update Index/Table depending on your version and language settings. The moment you select it, Writer recalculates the table of contents based on your current headings and updates page numbers to match the latest layout. This is ideal when you want to update just the TOC without touching anything else in the document. There's also a great alternative when you want to refresh more than just the table of contents. Go to the Tools menu at the top of Writer. In the drop-down list, hover over Update. From there, click Update All, sometimes labeled All Indexes and Tables. This command triggers a document-wide refresh, updating the table of contents along with any other generated elements, such as alphabetical indexes or tables of figures and tables. It's a reliable way to make sure everything is synchronized, especially after large edits or formatting changes. A few quick tips to keep your updates smooth. If the update option appears grayed out, make sure you actually clicked inside the table of contents area before right-clicking. If your document updates, but some headings don't appear in the TOC, remember that the table of contents pulls entries from heading styles like Heading 1 and Heading 2. Plain body text won't be included. Also, if page numbers still look off, check for recent layout changes like page breaks that might not have been recalculated until you updated. That's all you need to keep your table of contents accurate. Right-click and update, or use Tools, Update, then Update All when you want a broader refresh. Happy writing, and keep your documents tidy and up to date.